How to log into your Chase Freedom Card account. Whether you are checking your balance, reviewing transactions, or managing payments, logging in is quick and easy. In this guide, I'll show you how to securely log into your Chase Freedom Card account. Let's dive in. Launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in Chase Freedom Login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, chase.com. With that, you will be directed to the official website of it. Now, you have to scroll down. You'll find the login section. From here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, type in the username. Then, type in the password. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of Remember Me. If you want to use token instead of password to login, click on this option and provide your token. If you have forgotten the username or the password, you can click on this option to recover it. After you provide your details, click on Sign In. With that, you'll be directly taken to your account dashboard where you can manage your Chase Freedom Card. Whether on the website or the mobile app, managing your account is simple and secure. If this guide helped you, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.